You work hard all month, you earn your paycheck, you pay your bills, and yet somehow the math never seems to add up. The money quietly slips through your hands, leaving you wondering where it all went. Living this way creates a very specific kind of quiet exhaustion. You spend your energy reacting to every new expense. Grab your last 30 days of bank statements and open a blank spreadsheet or grab a fresh notebook. We are doing this because wealth is never an accident. It is a highly specific, measurable pattern, and anyone willing to engineer that pattern can build financial independence. Let's set up the framework. Step 1 is the audit. We are looking exactly 30 days backward. This timeline is critical because it captures a full, realistic cycle of your fixed obligations and your daily lifestyle habits. Start at the top. List all incoming revenue, every paycheck and side income. Right beneath that, log every single expense over the last 30 days. Do not group them. Write down the coffee, rent, and groceries. Get every line item on the page. When you finally see the sheer volume of transactions, it is incredibly easy to feel sticker shock or guilt. Ignore that feeling. We are entirely focused on data collection right now, not judgment. By putting these numbers on paper, you force your invisible spending habits into the light. You cannot control what you cannot measure, and you have just made your financial reality visible. Next, we perform a purpose triage. To avoid overcomplicating your budget, you will assign every expense into one of exactly 3 strict categories, no exceptions. Category 1 is needs, the fixed costs required for your survival, like housing and groceries. Category 2 is wants, purchases that bring you planned, intentional joy. Category 3 is impulses, unplanned, emotion-driven decisions that do not align with your long-term goals. Label every expense row: green for needs, yellow for wants, and red for impulses. Next, isolate your impulses. Group all the red rows together and sum them up to find your immediate target. By eliminating these unplanned purchases, you manufacture a cash flow gap. Notice that we left the yellow wants untouched. By cleanly separating what you plan to enjoy from what you actually bought on impulse, you cut the fat entirely out of your budget without punishing yourself. Now we put that newfound cash gap to work. Take the capital you just freed up from your red impulses and calculate it as a fixed percentage of your total income. Usually, this naturally lands between 5 and 10%. This creates the most critical rule of wealth building: pay yourself first. That specific percentage must be removed from your account before your bills are paid and before you spend a dime on your lifestyle. To ensure this actually happens, open your bank's online portal and locate the automated transfer settings shown in this interface. Set up a recurring transfer, moving that exact percentage into your savings or investment account. Set the trigger date to fire exactly 1 day after your primary paycheck clears. Human willpower fails. We adapt to whatever money is available to spend. By relying on a machine to route your capital out of sight immediately, you fund your future self before present lifestyle creep can touch it. Step 4 is the liability inventory. Below your expenses, create a dedicated section for any active debt: credit cards, auto loans, or personal lines of credit. Write down the total full cost owed for each liability. Do not ever write down the comfortable monthly minimum payment. Seeing the full total removes the illusion of convenience. Confronting the exact principal balance is the only way to formulate an aggressive mathematical strategy to pay it off, instead of endlessly servicing the interest. Finally, step 5. Build a shield for this system by establishing a target for an emergency fund. Look at your green needs total from step 2. Your baseline survival cost. Multiply that number by 3. The result is your 90-day survival metric, your cash shield. Quantifying your true debt load and setting a threshold for your cash shield protects your progress. When unexpected emergencies inevitably hit, you will rely on the shield instead of taking new debt. Compare the messy pile of receipts you started with to what you have now. Look at this complete dashboard. You have mapped your income directly into 5 precise buckets: needs, wants, automated savings, debt paydown, and an emergency shield. You do not need to obsess over this daily. Review and update this single page just once a week to ensure your automation fired and your impulses are staying at zero. Maintaining this simple weekly habit translates into compounding growth. As the months pass, your debt principal shrinks, your savings multiply, and your safety net solidifies. Wealth is a deliberate system. By establishing clarity over your data, assigning purpose to your spending, and automating your savings, you have stopped hoping for financial freedom. You have engineered it.